Hello?
Police.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good. So the reason we're here is because someone called because they heard you and someone else arguing earlier. We're here to make sure everything's okay.
4297, I'm on with you at that.
Is everything okay?
Everything's fine.
Okay. Is there anyone else that you're living here with?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Who called you?
Oh no, anonymous.
Said somebody called him. I don't know. I know that lady over there. Anonymous. Okay, anonymous. Must be really anonymous because, as you can see anybody? No, pitch dark. Pitch dark, way over there. But I'm not scared, my peeps. I know you're with me. I don't answer questions. Good night.